Hello guys, back again. I'm in the Passat. What a surprise. This one's going to be a quick and easy one. It's a battery replacement. It's been very cold and it's finally killed my battery off. So it's time to replace it. I've bought a new one. Yeah, so let's get straight into it. Actually, I'll show you what it does now when I try and start it. It might actually start because it's a bit warmer today, but I don't think it will. It might actually start. Oh, it has started, but it did struggle quite a lot. That's because it's not freezing, but as soon as it hits freezing, it does not start. So let's change it. And there is the culprit. And to take this off, obviously this scuttle panel needs to come out, so just take this rubber off. Lift that out of the way. Chuck it down there. There it is. Next, we'll disconnect these, and then there's I think it's 13mm, which just holds the battery in, and we'll take that out. Put that out of the way. That's out. Old battery, new battery. This was off a BMW, so probably why it's not as good, because it is about 14 years old. So let's put that one on. That's tight. Battery's all in now. Time to put all the wiring back and the scuttle panel back up there. Right, battery's back in, all the wires back on, and be confident to just bonnet and see if it starts. Alright, moment of truth, let's see. That's loads better. Brilliant. So now no more worrying whether my car is going to start or not, because it's cold outside. This battery should last 5 years. It's got 5 years warranty with it, so if it dies within them 5 years, I should be able to claim for a new one. So yeah, all in all, a good day. I'll leave the link to the battery that I've used in the description, so if you need a battery, be sure to check that out. If you come across this video and it's helped you out, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, give me a subscribe, and drop a comment. And I guess I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.